Hello, Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens and I noticed my stainless steel cut glove is starting to wear out. It's getting a little hole in the end there. Not a big deal. I let the sponsor know and they've sent me some more of these gloves. This is an unusual glove, by the way. This is 100% made in USA, braided stainless steel. It stops knives. So it's a great tool to have if you know someone who does a lot of cooking. Mom, dad, brother, sister, cousin, niece, nephew, whoever it is. Maybe it's just the girl next door. You want to give a gift to them, so this is the perfect thing. Watch this. This knife is a layered Damascus Japanese knife. This knife is kind of like the GTR or Ferrari or Rolls-Royce of knives. Super, super sharp. Very, very expensive. I think this one's over $200. Look. Safe. No cuts. My hands are very valuable. I don't like them cut. That's why I wear the glove. You wear the glove on the opposite hand when you're doing your dicing and slicing so that you can't cut yourself. This stops knives. Now, some people don't believe it, so here, I'll switch it to the other hand. It's reversible. And I got this other Japanese knife. What do we have here? Nakano. Nakano sent me the knife to test out. It's a Santoku. It's okay on a 1 to 10. I give this knife a solid 8. Let's check out the Nakano sharpness. Yeah, it's kind of like a Lexus, or at least a really nice Nissan Maxima. It's in the knife category. It's sharp. It's looking good. And this stops the cuts. There's no cuts. Hit your fingers. No problem. So, this one's worn out. So what do? Visit the sponsor. Made in USA. Braided stainless steel. It's got a white nylon coating for comfort. This glove will last. I'm going to guess it will last you 10 to 20 years. Using it heavily. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Visit the sponsor. Shop small and have a wonderful holiday season. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good.